Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make instant dosa and chutney in 2 minutes. No need to soak rice and grind. If you feel like eating dosa, you can make this and enjoy. So let's get started. For this recipe, we need semolina or Rawa 1 cup, half a cup of rice flour and half a cup of wheat flour, also called atta, grind into a fine powder. The texture should be like this. It's perfect. Add all the dry ingredients into a bowl. Add half a teaspoon of salt, a pinch of baking soda, half a cup of curd or yogurt, combine all the ingredients very well before adding water. Now add water little by little to get dosa batter consistency. Batter is nice and smooth. Cover it and keep it aside for 5 minutes. It has become thick. Just add some more water and mix very well to get the right consistency. Now it's perfect, nice and smooth. Let's start making dosa. When the pan is hot, reduce the heat and add a ladle of dosa batter. Gently spread all over the pan. Now increase the heat to medium hot. Drizzle some oil or ghee of your choice. Let it cook on medium heat for 2 to 3 minutes. Turn it over. Let it cook again for 2 more minutes. Our instant dosa is ready to serve. I'll make one more dosa with chillies and onion. Spread the batter all over the pan gently. Add some chopped onions, finely chopped, and finely chopped green chillies. Drizzle some oil or ghee. Do not turn it immediately. Let it cook for 3 minutes on medium heat. Press the onion and chilies so that it will stick to the batter. Turn it over and let it cook for 2 more minutes. Our onion and chili dosa is also ready now. Make our instant chutney, and the ingredients are 1 onion, 3 tomatoes, 4 garlic cloves, dry red chillies 5, coriander leaves, curry leaves, a small piece of tamarind and half a teaspoon of salt. Add all the ingredients into a jar and grind coarsely. Do not add water. Juice from the tomatoes is more than enough. For this recipe, onion should be less and more of tomatoes. This chutney will help you when you have a sudden guest or if you are rushing to work. This chutney will come handy. Our instant chutney is ready in less than 2 minutes. Let's make seasoning for chutney. I'm adding 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon of jeera or cumin seeds, 2 dry red chillies, a few curry leaves. Fry it for a minute. Add the seasonings. Our chutney is ready. This chutney is delicious. You must try this and surprise your family. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Stay safe. Happy cooking.